Now you're starting to confuse me. I've heard you talk about a formal probate. I've heard you talk about a summary probate. And now an ancillary probate? Explain that one. Hello again. This is Certified Probate Real Estate Specialist Daryl Williams with Win-Win Realtors here in Southern California. If you are new here and you like our content, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. I get it. It can be confusing. You have the formal probate or the regular probate. That's the one that can take years to close and it could be very expensive. You have the summary probate, and that is an expedited probate procedure. It's often used to transfer a deceased person's assets to the surviving spouse. It's also used in other cases. And now, an ancillary probate. What's an ancillary probate? When a non-resident of California or a non-resident of the United States of America dies, however, they own property here in California, since their domicile state does not have jurisdiction in California, another probate would need to take place here in California. An ancillary probate is also known as a secondary probate or an extra probate because it takes place after the primary probate that took place in the decedent's main residence or domicile state. The primary purpose of this extra probate is to make sure that California taxes and debts are paid and the remaining assets are properly distributed to the remaining heirs or beneficiaries. Question of the day: do you have a loved one that lived out of state, however they own property here in California, and you had to open up a secondary or extra probate? Let us know in the comments below. Be sure to let your loved ones know when you own property in other states. I'm Daryl Williams. This is Win-Win Realtors TV. If you know someone that's dealing with a probate here in Southern California, share this video with them. If you have any questions for me, my contact information is in the description. This video has been for information purposes only. It is not legal advice. I am not an attorney. If you need an attorney, please contact one. If you need a probate or an estate planning attorney here in the Southern California area, feel free to reach out to me for a referral.